Hi my dear subscribers, today we are talking about the rooms in Bahia Principe Grand Tulum in beautiful Mexico. This resort is surrounded by tropical nature and beautiful Caribbean scenery, and today I'll show you what it's like to stay here. We will walk through the accommodation area, take a look at the buildings and visit one of the rooms to see what you can expect during your vacation. So let's get started. Right now we're walking between the resort buildings and honestly this place already feels amazing. Everywhere you look there are palm trees, tropical plants, green lawns and beautiful walking paths. The atmosphere is peaceful, fresh and very relaxing. The accommodation buildings are spread nicely across the resort, so it never feels crowded. As you walk through this tropical setting, you really get that vacation feeling. Everything is clean, well maintained and surrounded by nature. In just a moment we are going to step inside one of the rooms and take a closer look. I'll show you what it's look like, how it's laid out and whether it's a good choice for you to stay at Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. Let's go inside and check it out. As soon as you enter this beautiful room, the first thing you notice is how bright, clean and stylish everything looks. The shiny floors, fresh renovation and modern design immediately give you a luxury feeling. This is a garden view room and it feels very comfortable and well organized. There is a balcony where you can step outside, relax and enjoy the tropical surrounding. Inside you will find a coffee table, safe, sofa and small tables, so the room has everything you need for a comfortable stay. The bathroom concept is also very practical with a sink, toilet and walk-in shower. Everything is compact, modern and easy to use. And of course the bed is one of the best parts. It looks so soft and comfortable that you just want to lie down and relax right away. Other room categories offer even better views. In a premium suite you may get a beautiful tropical ocean view with coconut palms right in front of you and the blue Caribbean Sea in the distance. That view is truly amazing and makes the whole room experience feel even more special. Overall, I was really impressed with the rooms at Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. They are modern, clean, comfortable and very well designed. From the moment you walk in, everything feels fresh and welcoming. Whether you choose a garden view room or decide to upgrade to a premium suite with the ocean view, you will have a comfortable place to relax after a day at the beach or by the pool. The rooms offer everything you need for a great vacation and the tropical surroundings make the experience even more enjoyable. If you are looking for a resort with comfortable accommodations, beautiful tropical views and a relaxing atmosphere, I think Bahia Principe Grand Tulum is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this room tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next review. Take care.